Well, it's Saturday, June 24th, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And with the rain this morning, I've been on total chill patrol. Now here's the thing. I literally just got dressed to come outside. Honestly, two things I want to do. Take the cover off the boat. Hasn't been in the water since 2012. Ain't divorce awesome? And then I want to look into cutting a hole in the rain gutter and getting the IBC plumbed in. Well, the sunshine over there is deceptive, because this is what's coming in now. Can't change the weather, whether I like it or not. I think I'm gonna stay inside today, guys. Forced hermit mode. I think my spirit guides will be happy with that. Y'all enjoy. Happy weekend. Bye now.